Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English learning podcast today. I am so excited to talk with you right now. Today we will learn how to talk about your day. This is a very useful skill for speaking English every day. Everyone has different days with different activities and feelings inside. Learning to describe your day helps you communicate better with others. When you can talk about your day clearly, you connect. You can share your experiences with family, friends, and new people you meet. This skill helps you in many situations every single day. At work, at school, with friends, or meeting new people around you. We will learn simple words and easy sentence patterns. You can use these right away to describe your daily activities. Are you ready to learn how to share your... Let's start this fun journey together and improve your English speaking skills today. Talking about your day is one of the most... People ask, how was your day? All the time in English conversations with others. When you answer this question well, people feel connected. They understand your life better and want to keep talking with you. This conversation skill helps you make new friends easily. People love hearing about other people's daily activities and interesting experiences in life. It also helps you practice using past tense verbs. You describe things that already happened earlier in your day or week. Sharing your day helps you remember important things better. When you talk about events, your brain keeps them in memory longer. Let's start with morning activities that most people do. Asterisk, asterisk, wake up, asterisk, asterisk means to stop sleeping and open your eyes in bed. Get up means to leave your bed and stand. Most people wake up first, then get up from their bed. Brush teeth means to clean your teeth with toothbrush. This is important for keeping your mouth healthy and clean always. Take a shower means to wash your body water. Some people take showers in the morning to feel fresh and clean. Eat breakfast means to have your first meal. Breakfast gives you energy to start your day in a good way. Get dressed means to put on your clothes. You choose clothes that are right for the weather and your activities. Go to work or go to school means this is where you spend most of your day learning or working with others. Now let's practice talking about morning activities using sentences. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning when my alarm rang. I got up quickly and went to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth and washed my face with cold water. I took a hot shower for 15 minutes today. The warm water made me feel awake and ready for the day. I ate toast and eggs for breakfast this morning. I also drank a cup of coffee to give me energy. I got dressed in my favorite blue shirt. I chose comfortable shoes because I walk a lot at work. I left home at 8:30 this morning. I drove my car to work and arrived exactly on time today. Now let's learn words for afternoon and work time. Asterisk, asterisk, work, asterisk, asterisk means to do your job and earn money for living expenses. Meeting means when people gather to talk about business. Many jobs have meetings where people discuss important work topics together. Lunch means the meal you eat in middle. Most people eat lunch around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock every day. Colleague means a person who works with you. Colleagues help each other and work together to finish important projects at work. Project means a big task that takes time. At work or school, you might work on projects that last for weeks. Email means electronic messages you send and receive. Many jobs require you to read and write many emails every single day. Phone call means talking to someone by telephone. You might make phone calls to customers, friends, or family members daily. Let's practice describing work activities with simple sentence patterns. I arrived at my office at 9 o'clock and started working immediately. I had an important meeting with my team. We talked about our new project for 2 hours this morning. I ate lunch with my colleagues at restaurant. We talked about work and also our personal lives and interests together. I answered 15 emails from customers and partners today. Some emails were easy to answer, others were more difficult. I made 3 phone calls to clients this afternoon. I helped them solve problems with our products and services. I worked on my project until 5 o'clock. I finished 2 important tasks and felt good about my progress today. Now let's learn about evening activities when work ends. Asterisk, asterisk. Go home. Asterisk, asterisk means to return to your house after work or school. Relax means to rest and feel calm after. You can relax by sitting, reading, or doing things you enjoy very much. Cook dinner means to prepare your evening meal. Some people cook at home, others buy food or eat at restaurants. Watch TV means to look at television programs. Many people watch TV to relax and see news, movies, or shows. Read means to look at words in books. Reading helps you learn new things and relax your mind after busy days. Exercise means to move your body for health. You can walk, run, swim, or go to the gym for exercise. Spend time with family means to be together. You can talk, eat, play games, or just enjoy being with people you love. Let's practice describing evening activities with clear sentence examples. I went home at 6 o'clock and felt tired from my long day. I cooked pasta and vegetables for dinner tonight. I also made a salad with tomatoes and cucumbers from my garden. I ate dinner with my family at table. We talked about our day and shared interesting stories with each other. I watched the news on TV for minutes. I wanted to know what happened in the world and in my city today. I read a book about history for an hour. Reading helps me relax and learn new interesting facts about the past. I went for a walk in the park. Walking is good exercise and helps me think clearly about my day. It's important to describe how you felt today. Asterisk, asterisk. Happy asterisk, asterisk means feeling good and pleased with things that happened to you. Tired means feeling like you need rest or sleep. After a long day of work or activities, most people feel tired. Excited means feeling very happy about something special. You might feel excited about plans for tomorrow or weekend activities. Stressed means feeling worried or under pressure from. Work, school, or personal problems can make you feel stressed sometimes. Peaceful means feeling calm and relaxed inside your mind. Quiet activities like reading or walking can make you feel peaceful. Proud means feeling good about something you did. When you finish a difficult task, you can feel proud of your work. Grateful means feeling thankful for good things today. Being grateful helps you focus on positive parts of your day. Let's practice describing feelings about your day with examples. I felt happy today because I finished my important project at work successfully. I was tired after my long meeting The meeting lasted for 3 hours and required a lot of thinking. I felt excited about my dinner plans with friends. We are going to try a new restaurant in the city tonight. I was a little stressed about my presentation. I have to speak in front of many people tomorrow at work. I felt peaceful when I walked in park. The quiet trees and fresh air helped me relax after my busy day. I felt proud of helping my colleague today. I taught her how to use new computer software for work. Now let's practice describing a complete day from I woke up at 7 this morning and felt ready for a good day ahead. I had breakfast and coffee at home quickly. Then I drove to work and arrived at my office on time. I worked on my computer project all morning. I also had a meeting with my team about next week's tasks. I ate lunch with my friend at restaurant. We talked about our families and made plans for the weekend together. I finished my work at 5 o'clock today. I felt tired but happy because I completed all my important tasks. I went home and cooked dinner for family. We ate together and watched a movie on TV before bedtime. Your homework is to practice talking about your today. Use the words and sentences you learned in this important lesson for speaking. Tell someone about your morning, afternoon, and evening activities. Describe what you did and how you felt about different parts of your day. Practice using past tense verbs when you describe. Say, I woke up, I worked, I ate, and I went instead of present tense. Try to describe your feelings about the day. Say if you felt happy, tired, excited, or any other emotions you experienced today. Write 3 sentences about your day in notebook. Read them out loud to practice your pronunciation and speaking skills. Thank you for learning how to talk about. Now you have the words and sentences to describe your daily activities clearly. Remember to practice this skill every day with people. The more you talk about your day, the easier it becomes for you. People love hearing about your daily experiences and activities. This conversation skill will help you make friends and connect with others. Next time we will learn how to talk. This will help you describe your plans and goals for the future in English. Keep practicing every day and don't worry about mistakes. You are becoming a better English speaker with each lesson we do together.